Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now in today's video guys, Cyan Boujee, we all know she has been accused of beating up her manager, so she finally decided to address the assault allegations. Now media personality, influencer and popular DJ, she has been accused of beating up her manager, and the other time she was accused of beating up I don't know, I think it's Babal or something, please correct me if I'm wrong. And now she is also accused of beating up her manager. Like, I don't know guys, do you guys think these are all public stunts or just allegations, or what is going on? Or maybe, I don't know, yes, I don't know. The name of the manager is Wellington. It is said that he was beaten in Mpumalanga following a gig, and he was rushed into hospital after several punches and kicks. And then after being rushed to the hospital after getting medical attention, it is said that he opened a case of assault against Cyan. Now Cyan is just denying all of these allegations. She made a video, I will make sure to insert it so that you guys can see for yourself. But she made a video and said, how can she beat up a 45-year-old man? No, it's not 45, I think it's she said 49-year-old man. Like, how can she beat up that person? You know, guning, it's a lot. And she also said that she is no longer with that manager. She is joining an agency. They are going international and whatnot. So it seems like very this was the end for them. What really happened, guys? Please check out this video and judge for yourself.
Boujee Life of Cyan, episodes. Anyways, this is my side of the story. Boujee Life of Cyan, episode 12 of 152. I just want to tell you guys that you know me by now. If I actually beat someone up, I'm gonna own up to that shit. How am I beating a 49-year-old? Eh? It doesn't make sense, guys. So this was my manager, and I'm gladly no longer working with him, and I'm moving to an agency, and we're actually on our way to work. We have to stop now to address about that nigga. He mustn't feel that he's that special. But anyways, I'm moving to an agency. We are elevating.
I don't know, do you guys think really she did it? So this was the Instagram post by Wellington. He said, if it was the other way around, I would be behind bars right now, which is true. In South Africa, GPV, we're always screaming GPV. But when it's the other way around, we just turn a blind eye, which is something that we need to stop doing, you know. But for now, we are really not sure whether she did it, whether she didn't do it. I don't know, guys. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and please subscribe. I love you.